What's up guys? So today we're going to be trying to diagnose an issue that we found with the Miata the other day. So when we're driving, it kind of starts at about 45 to 50, you can start hearing like a roaring noise, and at about 55 to 60, you can feel a vibration, and once you get over 60, it's like an intense vibration. It's like shaking the whole rear of the car. So I'm thinking that it's something to do with what we changed, whether it's a loose bolt on the subframe or the coilovers or something's like the brake caliper is sticky or the rotors, like the rotor is crooked on the hub itself or something crazy like that. So what we're gonna do now is pretty much do a bolt check and check everything and see what we can find that would possibly even cause a vibration. I really don't think it's my tires and wheels because nothing has changed from when we parked it in the garage to when we drove it out, besides the subframe and everything else on the subframe, the diff, and the new drive shaft. Now, it's hard for me to believe that would be the drive shaft because I read that the drive shaft vibration is not speed sensitive, and this issue seems to be speed sensitive. So basically we're just testing to see if it does the same thing. That right there. So we did a bolt check and we torqued the diff, the PPF, yeah, just everything down there, the rear subframe bolts and nuts and everything, and we're still having this issue. It seemed to help a little bit with the vibration, but it's still like crazy over 60, and it's definitely coming from the rear. It's kind of stumping me and Tyler because I've never experienced anything like that before.
Whatever it is, it's totally unsafe to drive with it like that.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. So basically what Tyler and I are doing is we jacked the rear end of the car up, the Miata, and we're gonna take it up to 60 and see if we can tell what's vibrating. So we have the car warming up a little bit now, and let's see what we can see. So the car's still vibrating, and having it up on jack stands like that and going through the gears at around 45, you can start to feel it. You can start to hear it around 35, 40, like a roaring noise. Sorry, I should have filmed it, but we were just trying to get it done. I think it's the axle on the right side, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and get 2 new axles, and we're going to try them. And if that's not the problem, then I have a feeling it's something to do with the new calipers and rotors, but I have a gut feeling that it's an axle that's messed up. We're just gonna send it and buy 2 new axles, and Tyler's gonna swap them out, and we'll just have to see what it does, and if it fixes it, awesome. The thing is why my gut feeling's like that is those axles came off a really, really bad car, and I just have a strange feeling that they were already messed up and we just didn't realize it, or go fast enough to realize it or something, or I don't really know, but that's what we're gonna try.
So with the rattling issue that we have on the car, we believe we've narrowed it down to having a bent axle. So today, I am replacing both of them. Pick these up brand new, and hopefully this sorts everything that we need to do. So I'm going to be taking off both wheels, cracking the axle nuts, taking off the actual knuckles themselves, pulling both of those off, and then sliding this out. Alright, so we have the new axles in, we even have the new gasket for the diff in. Hopefully, this is going to solve our issue because we couldn't figure it out. All the brakes look fine, tires weren't wobbling, the only thing that we can narrow it down to was a bent axle. So I'm gonna let this warm up, I'm gonna take it out, take it for a test drive, and see if we still get that rattling around 50 to 60 miles an hour. Hopefully it's fixed. Hopefully everything's okay. I'm about to take it out. I would take this, but I can't film and do it at the same time. So here goes nothing.